Alright, the market is flying right now with the main indices breaking records, renewing their historic highs, and many stocks are performing insanely well. So in today's video, we're gonna look at what to expect next, how high can we go, and of course, what could possibly cause a pullback over here. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel, where you'll find unbiased analysis every single day, focusing on technical analysis, price action, statistics to base our ideas and insights. My name is Nathan. Welcome to another video. Now, as we can see here, SPY is insanely bullish. Today's reaction is incredible. We are not only maintaining the bullish bias because we see a series of higher highs, higher lows, alright? But we are also breaking the previous resistance level, triggering another bullish pivot point. What's more, we are making a new record high, and today's low, the SPY found a support level right around the $586, the previous top level, the previous all-time high, acting as a support level today. Another example of how the principle of polarity in technical analysis works. Previous top levels will act as future support levels and vice versa. Another nearly perfect technical movement over here. And if you ask me, Nathan, is there any technical evidence suggesting that SPY could trigger a sharper correction, or maybe even reverse this bullish bias? And the answer is absolutely not. What could possibly make the SPY trigger a correction over here if we lose again the 586, all right, rejecting today's candle, closing below the previous all-time high, giving us the idea that this move was an overreaction and a possible false breakout. However, as long as this scenario does not materialize, this is just fiction, alright? We can only work hypothetically over here, okay? Because this scenario is not materialized. We are still insanely bullish. Today's reaction is just incredible. The QQQ is also making another very good reaction. We are breaking the all-time high, closing above the $500 area, breaking the previous top level over here as well, around $498, and of course, maintaining the price above the 21-day EMA, which is a technical support level, avoiding losing the 485, this support level over here, which was quite dangerous because it was the trigger point of a possible double top chart pattern, right? So for now, the QQQ is not only insanely bullish, but it is also rejecting any bearish possibility as well. There is not a single top signal, but again, what could possibly cause a pullback over here? If we close below the $503.52, just like the QQQ has just like the SPY, has a clear support level at 586, the QQQ has a support level around 503. So, in the absence of technical evidence suggesting a correction, we can't help ourselves but assume it is gonna continue going up, alright? No top signal materialized. Nathan, what if a top signal materializes? Then a pullback to the 21-day EMA would be totally normal, acceptable, not enough to ruin the bullish bias over here. Possibly another buying opportunity, period. Alright, very simple situation. Nvidia, just like the QQQ, is also breaking the previous record high. We see the 144 as our major inflection point over here. If Nvidia makes a very ugly bearish reaction tomorrow, closing below the 144, alright, maybe we're gonna see another pullback, possibly to the 21-day EMA, where we're gonna see possibly another buying opportunity. Because when we talk about a bull trend, an uptrend, every single pullback must be faced just as another possible buying opportunity. If we see a pullback, great, fantastic. If we see a bottom signal near a support level when the risk-reward ratio is at its peak, fantastic. This is a buy signal. All right. So far, if you ask me, Nvidia is just incredibly bullish. You may ask, but Nathan, is it possible for us to trade the breakout? Yes, you can trade the breakouts. I don't like trading breakouts that much. All right, but it is possible. However, be aware that this week is still a quite crazy week, all right? The volatility is still quite high. So if you see a pullback to the 21-day EMA again, do not panic, all right? Because this is a quite possible scenario. It is not gonna ruin the bullish bias, but it is important to bear this scenario in mind, all right? The previous buy signal which Nvidia gave us over here, and I did share this signal on our Telegram channel, was down here near the 21-day EMA, just like Tesla did a very nice bottom signal over here above the 21-day EMA, and I also shared this buy signal on our Telegram channel. These two stocks are flying so high right now. And of course, if you want to learn how to trade, the Finance Hydra VIP mentoring program gives you access to our Telegram channel for six months. And if you want to learn how to trade the market with confidence and consistency, well, join the Finance Hydra channel mentorship program, an exclusive 6-week program where you have direct access to me for weekly guidance and of course, ongoing support. We are gonna work together on swing trading strategies, risk management, and create a fully customized trading plan just for you, as well as the Telegram channel where you will spend 6 months receiving our exclusive insights and trading ideas like these, all right? If you want to be part of this transformation, then leave your email on our website, link in the video's description. Places are limited, so you'll be among the first to know when registration opens, all right? Leave your email right here in this field. Now, back to our analysis. Tesla materialized a very nice bottom signal. My original target was 265. Nathan, Tesla broke your target. How do you proceed in these situations? In a situation like this, when we see a breakout of our target, especially when we see a gap like this, well, all right, you may book profits, all right? You may take profits, but there is no need to do a hard buy or a hard sell all the time. My suggestion is, if you are nervous, if you are anxious, then okay, book profits partially. If Tesla loses today's low, just liquidate your position completely and that's it. Call it a day, all right? The next buying opportunity will appear eventually. That's it. Perfect. No need to worry. When you work with strategy, there's absolutely no need to stress yourself with this market, all right? There's absolutely no need because we cannot control stocks, all right? We can't control how the market is going to behave, but we can control our strategy, our risk management. This is what I always tell you guys here in this channel. So it is a very simple situation. It is way above our target, going up amazingly well. If you ask me, our next technical target is $300. All right, that's it. In theory, we are supposed to retest this key point as long as we don't see any meaningful bearish reversal. But Nathan, what if we see a correction over here? Any pullback to the 265 or maybe even to the 21-day EMA could be just another buying opportunity. Very simple. Now, AMD is reacting already, all right? I would be happier to see AMD's price approaching this trend line, but all right, who am I to argue with AMD? It is trying to react right here, right now, but if you ask me, this is not a very good buying, insanely bullish signal yet. Of course, we could bounce, but since we are still in a bear trend, any bounce to the 21-day EMA could be just another dead cat bounce, so let's stay alert. AMD needs to break the 21-day EMA in order to re-enter bullish territory again. Of course, re-enter again, all right? So this is it. Let's watch out the 21-day EMA on AMD right now. Now, Palantir. Palantir is going up 8% today. Only 32% This week, today's Wednesday, it is going up 32%. That's insane. That's incredibly fantastic. We are clearly leaving the $45 behind. It is our next technical support level if we see a correction, but there's not a single technical evidence suggesting that Palantir will correct. If we look at the hourly chart, for instance, we see nothing more, nothing less than higher highs, higher lows, all right? Or maybe one single bullish leg, but still, it is going up insanely well. There is not a single top signal. If we see top signal, okay, $45, our next support level, very close to the 21-day EMA, no reason to panic. Possibly another buying opportunity. Broadcom was below the 21-day EMA. If you ask me, right now, we are breaking the resistance line of this descending channel. All right, meaning our next technical resistance level is 185. And this is it. There is no top signal, no bearish reaction. What if we see a bearish reaction, Nathan? Then this could be a false breakout. In this case, we could correct all the way down to the 165 again. But so far, Broadcom is looking quite good. It is looking quite bullish. And of course, I couldn't ignore super microcomputer, which is crashing 18% today, right? Look at this. Look at this. Heat map over here. Today's heat map, all right? Everybody is going up, right? Or almost everybody, all right? Almost everybody is rich. Everybody smells so good, but still, we are dropping over here almost 18%. If you ask me, super microcomputer has just reached a support level near the $21, the previous support level from June 2023, and we are trying to react, but this is not necessarily a very good reaction yet. And just like AMD, any possible bounce could be just another dead cat bounce. So now, in my humble opinion, there are better opportunities out there. All right, I don't like super microcomputer that much, but if you wanna trade it, great, because as far as I know, there is no right and there is no wrong as long as you use a good risk management. As long as you know where your stop loss is gonna be, where your target is gonna be. If you say to me, Nathan, I wanna buy super microcomputer if it breaks today's high, right? I'm gonna set a target at this gap, okay? I'm not that excited as well, so I will set a realistic target, $32. Okay, I'm listening, and I'm gonna set a stop loss below today's low. All right, so in the end, the risk reward ratio is very good. All right, I'm risking way less than I'm willing to earn if this trade actually goes right, actually makes money. So fantastic. Who am I to argue? Okay, I don't like the situation that much, but it is still a valid trading plan if you ask me. So yes, it is looking good. It is looking good, not that good, but maybe it is an opportunity if we see another bounce. Of course, this one is incredibly bearish, so be careful. Either way, I'm gonna be here every single day, so if you are still not a subscriber, consider subscribing because I'm here every single day talking about SPY, QQQ, Nvidia, Tesla, AMD, Palantir, stocks, etc. So join the Finance Hydra channel. Take a look at my website if you have any interest in joining our mentorship program. Thank you for your audience, my dear friends. Stay safe. See you guys tomorrow.